Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to install the Ubuntu on VMware Workstation Pro version 15, and the version of Ubuntu in this video I'm using is 18.4.3. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, you open the browser and access to the ubuntu.com. Okay, go to the download tab. And here on this page you are able to download the version for the desktop and also the server. And I'm going ahead to download the desktop version. You need to wait some minutes to get the file from the internet to the PC. Okay. I will cancel this one to save the time. I already downloaded it before. Okay. This is in ISO format. So now I'm going ahead to open the VMware Workstation. Click on File and New Virtual Machine. Okay. Select the typical because this is recommended option. Next. And I will install the operating system later option. I select the Linux. And the version I will select the Ubuntu 64-bit, and you can enter the virtual machine name for the operating system and the location. Okay. Before you click on the customize hardware to do some customization for the hardware, something like memory and processor. Yeah, so here you can also click on close button here to apply new change. You click on new CD and DVDs and select the ISO file, and after that select the ISO which contains the operating system of the Ubuntu you want to be installed on this PC. Okay. So now here click on power on this virtual machine, or if you want to do some editing. Again, you can click on edit virtual machine setting. Okay, I'm going ahead to power it on. It will take some time for initiating the data. Click on the enter full mode screen to open the full mode of this virtual machine. Okay, on this step you click on the install Ubuntu option. Select the keyboard layout, and I will be select the English in US. Click on continue button. Okay, so here on this step I will leave it by default. Continue. Yes. Select default option, install now, and don't worry, it will display the message here. You just go ahead to click on the continue button. Yeah, so here on this step you will enter the city you are living. Continue button. Yeah, so here provide some the information of the something like the name, the username, password, blah blah here, and the computer name will be automatically generated based on the username. Yeah. Continue. Log in automatically. Okay. No need to have the password in order to access inside the desktop of this operating system. Retouch this one. Okay, and it will display a message: please remove the installation. Okay, I will turn off this one and click on edit virtual machine. Go to the CD and DVDs option. I will be select use physical drive. Okay, and power it on again. Okay, and it seems we have just finished installation of the Ubuntu on VMware Workstation Pro version 15, and this is the default desktop of the Ubuntu. So now you can play with this. Please, okay, make the screen bigger. Okay, and this the layout is not beautiful, but I will have another video later on to show you the demonstration. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.